Hello, my name is Donal and I'm a teacher here in CMEO Retrack. So today's short lesson will be about common English grammar mistakes that some English learners regularly make. So the first one is, I have visited Niagara Falls last weekend. So that is wrong. The correct way to say it, using the past simple, I visited Niagara Falls last weekend, not I have visited. The next one is, the woman which works here is from Japan. So the woman is a person, so the woman who works here is from Japan. The next one is, she's married with a dentist. Okay, this is wrong. The preposition is wrong. So we need to use to a dentist. She's married to a dentist, not with. She was boring in class. So she was bored in class. Okay, you can say the class was boring, but if you're talking about a person, she was bored in class. Next one, every student liked the teacher. Okay, so the plural here is in every. So we say every student likes the teacher, not every student. The next one, although it was raining, but we had a picnic. Okay, so you don't use although and but in the same sentence. So the correct way to say it is, although it was raining, we had the picnic. No but. The next one, I like very much ice cream. Okay, this is wrong. The word very is in the wrong place. So I like ice cream very much. I like football very much. I like learning English very much. Next one, I live in United States. Okay, so when we are talking about the USA, we use the United States. So I live in the United States. But if you're talking about France, I live in France. So the United States is a little bit different in that we say the United States. The next one is, I've been here since 3 months. So since is not talking about an amount of time. So we have to say, I've been here for 3 months. You can say, I've been here since 2018, an exact year, but I've been here for 3 months. Next one, you speak English good. We don't use the word good when we talk about speaking English. We say, you speak English well. Next one, the police is coming. Okay, so this is wrong because police is plural. It's not one, it's many. So we say the police are coming. The next one, I promise I call you next week. So next week is the future. So we say I will. I promise I'll call you next week. I promise I will call you next week. So that is the end of that short lesson. I hope you can practice those common grammar mistakes and make sure you don't make any of them. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.